Okay, so today we're focusing on chapter 7. This is exercise number 11. This is an interesting problem because we've seen it before in chapter 3. In chapter 3, we were focusing on setting up a turtle and then having it move, first turning an angle and then moving a specific distance and then turning another angle and then moving a specific distance. And we had to input each change. Here instead, we're given a list. That is a different interpretation this time, and our list is composed of paired data. So first, again, our angle and then the distance moved. So we are going to create a function that's able to interpret that list and separate out the angle from the distance. This is our function we've set up. Our variables are just 2 this time. So turtle, so whatever turtle we assign, and then path is the name of our list. So for angle and distance in each path, in the list path, so meaning if we look down here, for each pair of variables that we've assigned in this list, it's going to read the first one as the angle and the second as the distance. It's going to make the following steps. It's going to turn left that angle, and it's going to move forward that distance. This is the setup of our screen and our turtle. This is the list of data we're given from the problem, and this is our prompt to run the function. Okay, as we saw from the execution, the turtle was correctly able to first turn a specific angle, in this case 160 left, and then move 20, and then move right 43 degrees, and then move 10. And so we're able to see the entire path it make and put it out here by just giving it a list as the input. That's it.